Hi, it's Timo. In the last video, I used ChatGPT to help Laura do market research to become a talent acquisition manager. Let's continue doing market research, and the next phase is researching a company's culture, values, and recent news to tailor Laura's applications and interviews. Next, let's use ChatGPT to help Laura continue her market research. And Laura wants to know the company culture, values, and recent news of Kone, a big Finnish company. And I have already made first prompt here. You're an experienced career coach, HR specialist, and specialty industry and machinery expert. Do you understand? Let's send a message to ChatGPT. And let's copy paste the second prompt, and it is great. I want to know the company culture, values, and recent news of Kone. Let's send the message, and now it starts visiting different websites. I actually pause the recording for a minute, and let's continue when it has done its research. Okay, we're back, and AI started to generate pretty useful looking information about Kone's company culture, passionate about these principles regarding recent news, our statement, okay. And it says, are going to visit their official website, follow their news and press release sections directly. Okay, finally, I wanted to generate the sources it used to research Kone for future research. And let's use the third and the final prompt. Thank you, please list the sources you used. And let's see what happens. I'll pause it for a while. Let's continue in a minute. Okay. And AI started listing the sources, official website, additional information, Kone US website, a statement from Kone regarding the commitment to equity and inclusion. Very good, very good. And then it says, these sources provided insight into Kone's company culture, values, and recent initiatives. Great. Highly useful information for future research. In the next video, we'll continue to use ChatGPT to implement Laura's job search plan. Thanks for watching.